Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about a Leetcode question number 908. Smallest range 1. You are given an integer array nums and an integer k. In one operation, you can choose any index I where 0 is less than or equal to I is less than nums dot length and change nums of I to nums of I plus x, where x is an integer from range minus k to plus k. You can apply this operation at most once for each index I. The score of nums is the difference between the maximum and minimum elements in nums. We get minimum score of nums after applying the mentioned operation at most once for each index in it. So they're asking us to find the minimum score after applying the operation. What is the operation? We want to add something in the range of minus k to plus k in any elements, but at most one time for one index. Fine. This is an example. See here, in first example, k is 0, so we cannot add anything. Right? Okay. Nums is just 1. So what is the minimum maximum element? It is 1. What is the minimum element? It's also 1, so it's equal to 0. That's why the answer is 0. Fine. Now, take the second example, k is equal to 2, right? So we can take the range of minus 2 to plus 2. We can take, right? Now, it is 0, 10. So what is the minimum element? It is 0. So 0 is the minimum element and maximum is 10. Now, if I change this 0 to 2 by using what? Plus 2. I take this, okay? And change this 10 to 8 by using what? Minus 2. If I take this, what is the difference now? 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So I return 6. Fine. Now, see this third example. 1, 3, 6. So k is equal to 3. So we can take from minus 3 to plus 3, right? Okay. Now, I can change this 1 to 4 by adding what? 3. Now, I can change this 3 to what? 4 by adding 1. I will change this 6 to 4 by subtracting 2. 2 is also in this range, right? So, now if I subtract the maximum and minimum, so maximum is 4, minimum is also 4. So, I will do what? 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So, this is the minimum score we got, right? So, how to approach this problem? So, see this carefully. If I have something like example 3, 6, okay, and k value is something like 4. If k value is 4, we can take from minus 4 to plus 4, right? So, surely I can make this element to 0, right? This array elements to 0. The score is 0. Why? Because I can change this 3, like I can change this 3 as 6. Or I can change this 3 as 4 and make the 6 as also 4. Can you understand that? Okay. Okay. Now, just take for example, it is 10, something like 10, and it is 20. Now k value is 4. Now what is the answer? I can make this as 14. I can make this as what? 16. Now what is the difference? It is 2. So 2 will be output. So from this, I can observe that we can make that array to 0. We can make that array to 0, or else we can make we can make the score. Okay, score is the appropriate. Okay, we can make score which is greater than 0, but when my minimum and maximum element distance is greater than the scale into 2 times. Can you understand that? See here, if 10 and 20, between them, how many elements are there? Between them, there will be a gap of 10, right? Gap of 10. Now, by using the scale, I can at most raise my minimum value by 4, my maximum value reduced by 4. This is what I can make at most. So I can do minus 8, which is equal to 2. Okay. If, take for example, if I have an array like 10, 11, 12, and 14 maybe. Okay. Now, k value is equal to again 4. Now, listen carefully. What is the minimum value? I can say minimum value is 10 and maximum value is 14. So, if I do 14 minus 10, what is the difference? It is only 4. Only 4. But k value itself 4. So, I can reduce this by 2 and increase this by 2. I will get the answer. So, I can say the answer will be maximum of 0. Either it will be 0 or max element. Let me go down this. Max element minus min element, fine, minus 2 into Here, that's it. So this will be my result. Can you understand this? We are just subtracting what the difference. This is the difference, right? Maximum and minimum difference. And then we are subtracting what? 2 into k. Why we are subtracting 2 into k? Because if my k value is 4, I can increase my minimum element by 4 and I can decrease my minimum element by minus 4. Right? Right? If this answer becomes like it can satisfy this like condition. If the difference is only 4 and k is 4, then absolutely 0 will execute or else this statement will be executed. So what is the time of the case function? I can say time of the will be O of n, case function will be O of 1. Because we are finding what? The maximum and minimum element. To find this maximum and minimum element, we want time of O of n. Okay, let us see the code now. Here, this is the code. First of all, I'm finding the maximum and minimum element in this array. Sorry, of the array. Now, return max of 0, comma L minus S minus 2 into k. The difference minus 2 into k. Either it will be my answer or else 0 will be my answer. If that value is satisfied. Okay, let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Thank you.